So we're trying to find this equation, an equation for this graph, and looking at it we need to decide whether it's an exponential or a logarithmic. Some people might see this as a log, it kind of looks like a log, but what we need to remember is that an exponential graph has a horizontal asymptote, and a log graph is going to have a vertical asymptote. We notice that we've got an asymptote here at y equals 0, which is a horizontal asymptote, so therefore this must be modeled by an exponential. So given that it's modeled by an exponential curve, we've got our points, and we're going to use the general equation for an exponential, which is y equals a times b to the x. And what we can do is just plug in this point, and then we'll plug in this point so that we can find a and b. So plugging in the first point, we know that when x is 0, y is negative 2. So we get negative 2 equals a times b to the 0. And knowing about exponents, we know that anything to the 0th power is just 1. So we get that a equals negative 2. Therefore, we can write this equation as y equals negative 2 times b to the x. And then we're going to plug in this other point, 1 comma negative 1/2, so that we can find b. So y is negative 1/2 when x is 1. So again, this works out nicely because b to the 1 is just b, and we can divide both sides by negative 2, and we get that b equals 1/4. Well, now I know a, I know b, I could write my equation in terms of a and b. So my general equation would be y equals a times 1/4 to the x. And that's the exponential equation.